What can happen to your body if you add maple syrup to your breakfast every morning? Many people love adding a splash of maple syrup to meals to sweeten them up. And as it turns out, this popular breakfast sweetener has so many health and beauty benefits to it, it's become a kind of real liquid gold. It contains lots of healthy compounds, and one of them, known as quebecol, is named after the Canadian province of Quebec that produces 70% of the world's supply of this natural sweetener. Number 1. It may strengthen your immune system. Pouring just a little bit of maple syrup on your morning pancakes may strengthen your defense against viruses. This natural sweetener is a great source of zinc that restores levels of white blood cells and boosts your immune system. Maple syrup also has powerful antimicrobial properties and has been proven to combat biofilms, which are colonies of bacteria that are harder to fight because of their size and are able to resist some treatments. Number 2. It's good for your skin. Maple syrup contains 24 antioxidants, and a study proved that if you replace all refined sugar with natural sweeteners, such as maple syrup, your total antioxidant intake will increase as much as having a full serving of nuts or berries. Because of its high antioxidant content, maple syrup can also protect your skin against damage caused by free radicals, which are believed to lead to premature skin aging. Number 3. It keeps you hydrated. Although most of us are familiar with maple syrup, maple water might offer even more health benefits. Maple water is not exactly like maple syrup, even though it comes from the same source. It's made from groundwater mixed with sap, and although it tastes delicious, it contains only 2% sugar. Some athletes say it hydrates twice as fast as plain water and helps them stay hydrated while exercising. Number 4. It's good for men's health. Maple syrup can also help with maintaining male reproductive health. Many minerals in it, especially zinc, benefit men's health and can even help reduce prostate size. Number 5. It boosts your energy. Maple syrup is a great source of minerals that give your body extra energy, and some companies have even started adding this natural sweetener to sports drinks. Because maple syrup contains carbs, it can serve as a source of energy before a workout, and the many antioxidants in it will help you recover more quickly after intense exercise. Besides being extremely hydrating, maple water can also help to boost your exercise performance and keep you going